crew, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Mary. I got Capitan with us. This is going to be just a very messy intro, but obviously by today's title, we are going out on the boat today. Cappy, come back here 1 second. As I was saying, we are going on the boat today. It is about like 80 degrees in Southern California today, so we are taking advantage of it. We also were sent some awesome life jackets for the dogs. Ruka has never even been on the boat, so having these life jackets pop up was like the perfect time. They were sent like in 3 days, so I'm super excited to show you guys the life jackets. I will put the links down below where you can find them at. They sent us a bunch of different colors. I will show you guys that. We are rushing to get out of here. I still got to make a little lunch, get the dogs stuff all ready, and then we're gonna go head to the harbor. So let's go. You want to go fishing? Come here. What life jacket are we gonna put on you? You're going for the orange? How about the blue today? I love this blue. You look so handsome in it. We'll do the orange for you, and then your sister will do this one. Nope, don't attack it. Okay, so after using these, this is the next day, I realized I really didn't give a good description, but I really did like these. I have purchased really expensive ones from like other boat companies for the dogs, but this one is just the same, maybe even better, just because they have like this belly, underbelly strap that also kind of helps hold them up. So, oh, and it has the dog leash or whatever rope you need to put at the end of this. For like the basic ones I've bought before, you know, they're not quite as nice as this. And the medium fit Ruka, I got Capitan, the extra large. You can purchase this on Amazon. I guess it's actually top 10 dog products on there, so I will put all the link down below. I really suggest this. I really suggest you get one for your dog, even if they do know how to swim, because you know, a lot of crazy things can happen out in the water. So get your dog safe this summer and get a vest. Tookie, you ready to go fishing? Hey, you ready to go fishing? Yeah? Capitan, you want to go fishing? Let's go. Let's go, pretty girl. Dang, Capitan, you look good with your new jacket on. You gotta put Ruka's on next. It's a beautiful day out. Ruka! If you have checked out our vlogs before, you know that Capitan is an absolute pro when it comes to going on the boat. He has been going on the boat with us ever since he was a puppy, but this was actually Ruka's first time, and yes, I was nervous to see how she was going to act, but the girl is a natural. She even used her potty pad to go to the bathroom. Nobody got seasick, and we had like an absolute fantastic day out in the water. If you do want to take your dog out on the boat for the first time, just make sure you have a really good life vest for them and a good rope and collar just in case like they happen to want to jump out of the boat, and be pretty close to the shore whether your dog might get seasick, because some dogs do get seasick just like people. And of course, have plenty of water. If you have a boat that doesn't have any coverage, any shelter for shade, don't bring your dog, because dogs get extremely hot, especially, the Rottweiler with the black coat with the life jacket. He got hot, so I had to put him in the cabin with some ice until he cooled down. He drank plenty of water, but you always have to think about your dog's health when it comes to the weather and what type of adventure you're gonna do. Thank you guys so much for checking out our boat vlog. If you are interested in getting your pup safe this summer, go ahead and check out the link down below. Until the next time, we will see you. Bye.